Hi and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Ammi's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Junk food is a part of meals these days. Not only children but also adults are addicted to it. It's unhealthy but making it at home is better than eating out. So today I am sharing some make and freeze recipes with which we can prepare our favorite food in minutes. I took these videos on different days, so I am putting those videos together and sharing them with you all. I hope you will like it. Keep watching. So first I am showing how I make pizza base at home. If you have good yeast and you know the expiry date, then you can add it directly to the flour. Otherwise you need to mix it with warm water in another bowl. If it is activated, then you can add it. Here I took 2.5 cups of maida or all-purpose flour in a bowl. Now in this goes 1 tablespoon yeast, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon oregano leaves. Now mix once and then add 2 tablespoon olive oil. Now mix everything well. Add warm water as needed. Now make the dough. The dough should not be hard or too loose. For the pizza base you need a medium soft dough. Knead it for at least 10 minutes, then apply some olive oil to it. Then cover with plate and put it in warm place for around 1 hour and you will see the dough doubles up. It's been an hour and you can see the dough has tripled in size. Now knead it for 3 more minutes. Then divide into 4 portions. With this dough, you can make 4 small pizza bases. Now take the small portion of the dough and make it like a roti, but the base should be thicker. Now I am putting this base on a butter tray. This was for pizza that day. In this video I share pizza bases, burger patties, Manchurian balls and sandwich filling. These complete recipes are available on my channel. I have given the link in description box. Please check it. Now prick the pizza base with a fork. Then brush a non-stick pan with a little oil. Now put the pizza base and cover with a lid and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip it and bake for 2 more minutes. That's it guys, pizza base is ready. Let it cool down. If you do like this, you can add the toppings of your choice whenever you want and bake it. And your pizza will be ready in 5 minutes. I don't have store-bought Ziploc bags. I have this moong dal packet. It has a zip, so I keep pizza bases in this bag. Now put them in the fridge. You can store them for 15 to 20 days. That's it, pizza base is ready. The second one is burger patties with mutton. You can make it with chicken or potatoes. These patties I made are called shami kebab. You can have it as a side dish in your meal. But today I made a burger with this kebab. I soaked half cup of chana dal an hour before. Now it is well soaked. In a pressure cooker I add soaked chana dal, half kg boneless mutton, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 1 medium size onion, 7 to 8 small dried red chilies, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, salt to taste, half teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon garam masala powder, Finally, add a glass of water, mix and cover with a lid. Cook on medium flame till the meat becomes soft. After 8 whistles, I opened the lid. The meat was soft, but there was some water. So now I dried this water on high flame. Here water dried up. Let it cool down. After it cools down, transfer this mixture into a jar and grind it without adding water. Now add handful of coriander leaves and mix well. Apply little oil to your hands and take a portion of the mixture and make it into a ball. Then press with your hands as I shown in this video. I am making this for a burger, so I am making a big size. I made 6 burger patties with this mixture. Now these are ready to fry. You can fry it like this, but I dip it in the egg mixture because I like it. Now fry it in oil on low to medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes on both sides. Now these patties are ready. You can put it in a box and keep it in the refrigerator. You can store it for a week. Whenever you want a burger, mix mayonnaise and chili paste. Take the burgers and roast it in the butter. Apply this sauce and ketchup on both sides. Top it with some tomato and onion slices. Add a slice of cheese and lettuce leaves if you like. That's it, your burger will be ready in just 5 minutes. Next one is veg Manchurian balls. I like Manchuria very much. How many of you like Manchuria? Let me know in the comment section. For this recipe, I chopped 1 small cabbage, 1 carrot, 10 beans, capsicum, handful of onion leaves, 2 green chilies and coriander leaves. Now put all the chopped ingredients in a bowl and mix once. Now in this goes 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar and some salt. Then add 6 tablespoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Now make small balls. You need to heat the oil while making the balls. Now fry the balls in medium heat. Do not move the balls for a minute at the beginning, otherwise it will break. When it turns golden brown, remove it from the oil. Let it cool down. After it cools down, keep these Manchurian balls in airtight box. You can store it for 15 days. Make it whenever you want in just 10 minutes. This Manchurian recipe is available on my channel. I have given the link in the description. Please check it. The final one is an all-time favorite and quick recipe sandwich. For this we need boiled potatoes. Here I have taken 3 boiled potatoes. I mash it with a fork. Then chop half onion, 3 to 4 beans, 4 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies and some coriander leaves. Now add chopped garlic cloves in hot oil. Cook it for 5 seconds. Then add all the chopped ingredients and cook it until soft. At this stage, add 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste and pepper powder as per your spicy level. Now add the mashed potatoes to the pan. Mix well. Then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and mix everything well. That's it, the sandwich stuffing is ready. After cooling, put this mixture in a box and store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Whenever you want sandwich, just take a slice of bread, add some ketchup and some potato mixture, add a slice of cheese. If you don't have cheese, then skip it. You can toast like this, it's also tasty. That's it guys, I hope you like these simple recipes. If so, please give a thumbs up. Please share my videos to your friends and families and subscribe my channel. We will see in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.